Dude, that's beautiful.
Look at him. Look at that little guy.
First fish of the day within minutes. That was like what? First cast?
Yeah,
First cast. Dude, that's beautiful.
That
is beautiful. You gonna keep her? I'd keep her. I'd keep her. I'd eat her. Alright guys, we're going to go up to the boat landing and work the lure and throw in some bait there. We're going to go for some trout. I like trout fishing. Trout fishing's fun. It's a good time. They're a fun little fish. Who knows? Maybe something bigger will bite. It's all about location, location, location. And nobody should be at the boat landing. I was over here about 20 minutes ago and some dude came roaring in on his boat like a bat out of hell. It's cold, huh? Wet. How many did you guys catch? 4? Nice. Oh, that was great. I am now completely soaked. Alright, time to go empty out the suit because it's got a lot of water in it. Well, good thing we got that on video. Oh my goodness. Everything is wet. You'll never guess what happened to me. I went over by the boat landing there, and the boat's in the landing, so I'm like, all right, I'll walk around on the path over here, set the camera in the bushes, take one step towards the water, whoa, straight down in, all the way up to my beard. Yeah, I just went and emptied my suit out of the water that was up to my knees. Yeah. Yeah, oh dude, I'm here. We're here. I was already gonna get wet. It was already leaking down my back, so it is what it is. We're here to catch some fish. Alright, here he comes. Good little guy. Ooh, look at that hook set.
Nice.
What do you think? I think he's a tosser back.
Yeah, probably. Looks a little small.
Worm back, buddy.
Yeah. Nice fish. Oh!
There.
Nice fish. Oh!
There he goes. He heard the word tosser back. All right, I'm gone.
No.
Look at how small he is. See, this is what we're all about on little fish in a big pond. We're about them little fish in this big pond. Look at another great little hook set right through the bottom of the jaw. Look at him. Look at that little guy. He is very small, very cute. Straight down into the current. You gotta love it. This is all we're using. Just two little shot weights. Worm on a hook. I'm just free weighting with the hook. Woo, dude, he is bigger. Definitely bigger. The worm came right at my face. You see that? It didn't work. It kept hitting me. Come here, you're not getting away this time. Dude, he is staying downstream. He will not come. Come here. Oh, you're nice. You're beautiful.
Get him.
This is the most difficult trout I've ever tried to hold. Get back in your hole. Hey there, y'all. Thanks for watching the video. All in all, that was a pretty good little trip. Wasn't as long as we had hoped it would be. We ended up pulling out early due to the rain and just being completely soaked by the end of the about 2.5 hours we were there. If you'd like to see us go back up the river there, make another video maybe in that hole, see if we can't pull out any bigger trout from there. There's also salmon running right now. I think soon we're going to be targeting some salmon and steelhead. But we've also got a video dropping next weekend. That's a fun one. Be sure to check it out. Like, comment, subscribe, get the bell on. Make sure you're the first to know when our videos drop. Thank you guys.